Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this vampire outfit and dress to impress without EIP. Okay, to make it faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit, guys. Start from the hair. You can choose this one, and combine it with this one, and also this one and this one. And for the color, you can make it this color. For the hair, okay, you can combine 5 hairstyles. And then for the makeup, you can choose the style, and then you're going to put on this item, guys. Make it this color, and then you're going to put on this eyelash. Okay, for the eyelash, you can select toggle 3, and this skirt from the wedge set, make it this color, and you're going to change the material to metallic. And then the sleeves still from the wedge set, and also this corset. For the corset, you can color it like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this dress. For this dress, you can choose toggle 3, and then you're going to make it this color. Okay, you can follow the color I have applied to this dress. Okay, and then you're going to select these boots from the cuts item and make them all black. And then this necklace, make it black and red. And then combine it with this necklace. You can color it black and also red, pink red. And then for the accessory, you can put on this apple, make it this color. Okay, and those are the items I'm wearing to create this vampire outfit. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!